Hello, everyone. I'm Karuana with Microsoft, and this is another episode of Coffee in the Cloud. I'm going to try and recap 2023 in 5 minutes and give you 3 tips to start the year strong. I don't know if I can do it because it's been a big year, but I'm going to give it a shot. All right, let's hop in. 2023. Oh my goodness. The era of AI, but so many other things happening. It's been tremendously exciting. But as you move into 2024, I want to give you 3 tips to try to navigate all of this change and stay up to date. And that's tip number 1. You have to stay up to date. There's so much happening. Without the information, you won't know what is important to you and your organization and your career. So, you should be following the Microsoft 365 roadmap. All of the Copilot features and capabilities are also included. Oh, wait, did you not know about Copilot? Microsoft Copilot and Copilot for Microsoft 365 are premier experiences of generative AI built into our products. It's been a tremendous ride to bring this to you this year, and I feel so privileged to be a part of it. But you need to stay up on everything that's happening. So that roadmap is going to be essential. Also, you can watch Mondays at Microsoft. Mondays at Microsoft is my show with Heather Cook. We do it every other Monday morning for 30 minutes streamed live, and we cover a Microsoft Big Block, all of the product announcements that we can find across the entire ecosystem, as well as upcoming community events. Those events are going to be so important for your skilling. So look at the roadmap, watch Mondays at Microsoft, and you will be up to date. Tip number 2 is all of these features are wonderful, but they're not important until they're delivering business value for you. If you aren't literally achieving more because of the productivity gains that you can get with Copilot, the new teams, additional capabilities like Loop and lists, and all the things that are happening in OneDrive and SharePoint, then you're not really looking at the features in a way that is aligned to that business value metric. So, what I want you to do is really be thinking about the satisfaction of your users. We're changing the way that we're talking about adoption. We've always talked about user satisfaction, but this is really the core metric. If you go look at adoption.microsoft.com/copilot, you'll find our full adoption kit out there. And inside that adoption kit is a template document for user satisfaction strategy doc. Now, maybe this isn't your full job, but you can write one of these just for your own team. What is really going to help people around you and those that you're responsible for be more productive, be more creative, have more time to do real thinking or work with customers instead of hunting for information? These are the things that will drive true user satisfaction. So make sure that you're thinking about that and map all these amazing features to the satisfaction of your users and what they actually need. And lastly, tip number 3 is make time to invest in yourself. The amount of new content that's on Microsoft Learn is phenomenal. There are courses directly about Copilot preparedness, Teams telephony, lists and Loop, as I mentioned before, and so much more. Take some time out. This is training that is free. It doesn't cost you anything but your time and attention. Now, we know your time and attention is invaluable, but it's important to make sure that you have some of that time invested back in yourself and your career. Because what I like to say is Copilot isn't coming for your job, it's coming to your job. That's true of all these AI capabilities. While there's going to probably be fluctuations in the workforce, you can make sure that you are able to have a great conversation about AI and know how to apply it to your particular role. That's what's available to all of us right now. The last thing I want to share with you is human connection is more important than ever. And that's why not only can you learn on Microsoft Learn, but you can join us at community events, whether they're large scale events like Microsoft 365 conference that will be coming to us in April, end of April, beginning of May in 2024, or a local community days event near you. These events give you an opportunity not only to learn and skill up, but to meet other people who are on this journey with you. I love the community, as I think everyone knows, but I love it because of the people in it and how they've helped me in my career, and now how I'm able to turn around and give back. So Make sure that you're staying up to date, you're mapping all these new features to the business value of the land for you or your colleagues, and you're investing in yourself with free training from Microsoft Learn or joining us at one of our community events. All of these things extend to people in your organization as well. You know, I'm a big proponent of Microsoft 365 learning pathways and Viva Learning so that you can help people learn in the flow of work. It's so important that as they're learning these new skills, and especially with Microsoft 365 Copilot, that you're able to have your own personal aha moment about how these services will be meaningful to you as an individual. With that, I want to thank everyone for every view, for every like, for every share, for every follow. I appreciate you, and so does my entire team. It's a privilege to get to serve each and every one of you all year long. I'm looking forward to taking a little break, and I'll be back with my colleague Heather on Mondays at Microsoft on January 8th, and with more content right here on this channel in the new year. Thank you all, and I'll see you soon.